All right, Buck, huge game on Thursday Night Football. Philadelphia Eagles, really a struggling Philadelphia Eagles team, a little bit beat up. They're 1-2 going on the road to take on a Green Bay team that looks completely different than what we've seen from the previous year, with a fantastic defense and Aaron Rodgers not getting hit, a 3-0 football team. What are you looking forward to watching in this one?
It's all about the Packers' defense. You touched on it. The Packers' defense has really been the biggest reason for their rise to the top of the NFC North. When I look at this defense, Mike Pettin has it going. I mean, he has them blitzing guys all over the place, and their new additions up front have really been getting it done. Preston Smith, ZA'DARIUS Smith, they've been getting after the quarterback, and their ability to put pressure on the passer has led to more turnovers in the back end. And so when I look at this Packers team, as much as I was excited about Matt LaFleur joining up with Aaron Rodgers, it has been Mike Pettin, the old holdover, that has gotten this defense up and going. The Packers are finally playing like a championship team that many in Titletown wanted to see.
And no doubt, and they're doing it with a four-man rush, and that's really the same formula when the Philadelphia Eagles under Jim Schwartz and that defense, when they're rolling, they're getting home with their four-man rush. A lot of talk about the receivers, the drop passes, and the injuries. To me, this team really, the struggle has been with that defensive line. They've got to get home with four rushers. That means Fletcher Cox needs to dominate when he gets one-on-one opportunities. Derek Barnett needs to take advantage of those opportunities. Get home. They have a secondary of good players, not great players, and asking them to cover for an extended period of time, especially against Aaron Rodgers in this matchup, is not going to end well. So they've got to find a way to get after the quarterback, and maybe watching Green Bay, a little inspiration for this Philadelphia front to get rolling again.
Look, they have to get rolling. I think they have to really do a great job offensively of trying to find balance, because I talked about the defense, and I talked about how the Packers have been living off of the short fields created by turnovers and their ability to take the ball away. Carson Wentz has to have some help. They have to be able to run the ball. The thing is, I don't know if Doug Peterson will commit to running the ball. Because of that, I'm going to go to Green Bay Packers. I believe the Packers win a tight one in this one.
I do want to say, look, Carson Wentz is playing at a very high level. A lot of MVP chatter with him before the season started. He's lived up to the billing. Needs to get some help from his guys catching the football, and like we mentioned, need that defense to play better. I'm with you, Buck. Green Bay at home on a short week. That is a tall order for the Philadelphia Eagles. I like the Packers in this one, and maybe a surprisingly low-scoring game here on Thursday Night Football.